Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G13. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. At the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for your display in this menu. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level manually or automatically via adaptive brightness. Then we can change lock screen preferences like privacy, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, control from lock device, double line clock, and wake screen for notifications. Next, you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes and enable or disable screen attention function. Then, you can enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Next, you can change display size and font size. Also, you can enable or disable bold text and high contrast text. Then, you can enable night light and adjust it and schedule it. Next, you can change colors between natural and saturated and adjust color temperature. Then, you can change display refresh rate between auto 60 and 90 Hz, enable or disable auto rotate screen, set screensaver, enable or disable lift to wake, ambient display, 3-finger screenshot, and quick capture. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.